गोयात 11,000 बार्रा आणि लिकर शॉपां आसात. तातूंतले 2,000चे सध्या कांयच धड ना. नॅशनल आणि स्टेट हायवे कुशीक 500 मिटरां मेरेन आशिल्ली बार्रा बंद करपाच्या सुप्रीम कोर्टाच्या आदेशाचेर गोंयच्या एक्सायज खात्यान हालचाली सुरू केल्यात. सुप्रीम कोर्टाचे आदेश चालीक लावपाक नेमिल्ल्या कोर समितीची पयली बसका बेरेस्तारा पर्वरे सचिवालयात जाली. फील्ड इन्स्पेक्शन करपाक तालुका समिती नेमल्या.
Core committee's meeting, which has been constituted by the Chief Secretary to oversee the implementation of the Supreme Court order passed for removal of liquor licenses along the edges of the highway, that is within 500 meters. So what we have done is we have formed taluka level teams. That was the mandate given to the core committee. Taluka level teams headed by the Mamladar. This is to identify all those liquor licenses which come within 500 meters of the edge of the highway. We have our excise inspector on that. We have the land survey inspector on it. Besides village panchayat secretaries, concerned village panchayat secretaries, then the assistant engineers of PWDs who are concerned with the highways. So they are also part of it. So their job is to, after taking the plans from the land survey department, identify the liquor shops or bars whichever come within a 500 and indicate on the plan and give it to us. So on the basis of that, whichever are affected and as per the Supreme Court order, we will issue them show cause notices and ensure that these licenses are not renewed after 1st April 2017. Yeah, we have received two representations from this All Goa Hotel Owners Association saying that this is not applicable to them because they have taken some legal advice and also we have not taken a decision on that yet. What we are doing is now is we are identifying as per the Supreme Court. Now if it has to be, whether it is applicable to certain parties or not, this will, the government will definitely take a decision on that because this representation is also sent to the government. Legal advice also will be taken appropriately and on that basis we will decide. This order says both national highways as well as state highways. Now PWD authorities, they have this data with them. They have notified which are the state highways and the national highways also we have the record. So on the basis of this, we are going to have the surveys done. So that by 1st of April, the order is very clear that no licenses which fall within this 500 meters edge of the road will not be renewed. As per the Excise Act, you can still shift a license. You can transfer also license because it is a renewable license. What we are going to do is if it comes within this order of the High Court, Supreme Court, we are not going to renew it and not allow it to operate anymore in that area.
सुमार 2,000 बार्रांक हाचो फटको बसता. बार अँड रेस्टॉरंटवाले आपल्याक ती ऑर्डर लागना म्हणून उलोवन दाखयता. मात सरकार कितेंच निर्णय घेना तो मेरेन सुप्रीम कोर्टाचे आदेश चालीक लावंक सगळी तयारी खातें करता. प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकीक शिलकार आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट चेतन गवस.